Marcus, what are you making?
No.
What is this? Can I see the first page?
No.
Why not?
It's fine.
So what is this?
You have to first fold, and then you have to fold this.
What are you drawing?
How to make a paper airplane.
An instruction book?
Yeah.
Who told you to do it?
Nobody.
You want to do it yourself?
Hello.
Mm.
Where are you?
Who are you going to share it with?
Hello.
Who?
Where are
Oh. Okay.
爸爸，我要你颜色在哪
Colors? Colors. Crayon?
No, just colors.
There's colors everywhere. Hmm. 你看看 Marcus 在做什么？
不知道。Fold it.
He's making an instruction booklet for making paper airplanes.
我现在站在你的旁边。
Okay. 你在爸爸还是哥哥？ I thought you said 哥哥。Hmm? Mwah.
什么 colors 在哪
What's a word family?
An ace. Well, family ace.
Okay. Is this done? This paper thing?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Well, one.